Here's everything you need to know in a nutshell about progressive overload, especially if you're starting a new fitness program or routine in the new year and you want to make sure that you're doing it right. First of all, the concept of progressive overload means training our body to do more work over time, and we measure the work being done in total training volume, which is just a math problem of your weight times the reps that you're doing that weight for times the number of sets that you're doing. We can increase any one of those variables to increase overall training volume, which leads to progressive overload and increased strength and muscle mass. For an example, let's think about a shoulder press that has been written into our program at 3 working sets of 8 to 10 reps. The first time we go in to hit this workout in week 1, we're able to get 3 sets of 8 at 15 pounds. And that 15 pounds is pretty much the most weight we could get up for 8 reps, and those 8 reps felt really heavy and hard, so that's our starting working weight. In week 2, though, we're able to get that 15 pounds up for 9 reps in each set. So that becomes a rep progression because it is 1 more rep than we got in week 1. In week 3, still working with 15 pounds, we're able to get another rep in the first set. So this is still a good working weight for us. And then in week 4, we're able to get that weight up for 10 reps on each set. That's another rep progression and gets us to our upper limit of our rep range, which means in the following week, we're going to need to try to increase the weight. In week 5, we go up to 17.5 pounds, but we're only able to get it up for 8 reps because it's a heavy new weight, but we successfully made a weight progression. And it took us 4 weeks to get up there, but we still made the progression. In the following week, then we're working on increasing the reps that we're able to get at 17.5 pounds. And then maybe a couple weeks later, we are finally able to get 10 full reps with the 17.5 pound dumbbells. Because we're then at the top of our rep range again, it's time to increase weight and do it all again. In those first couple phases, it took 4 weeks to increase weight, but maybe we're stuck working 20 pounds for 6 to 8 weeks before we're able to get 3 full sets of 10. The closer you get to working to your body's true ceiling of strength, the longer and longer you're going to be working the same weight before you're able to progress into the next weight. Then repeat forever as you continue to get stronger and build more muscle.